Okay po ba ang barley na uuso ngayon? The only thing that I will say about any supplement, dalawang bagay. Number one, you cannot out-supplement a bad lifestyle. Kunyari, nagsisigarilyo ka, right? You're eating a lot of carbs, processed food na nakakapagpataas ng insulin na siyang magdudulot ng pag-iimpok ng taba that will eventually cause yung mga diseases, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. Kung hindi mo ina-address yun, no matter how much na supplementation ang gawin mo, pinakamahal man yan na supplement, it's not gonna change anything. Ikalawa, kung ano man yung supplement na iti-take mo, just always read the label. How do you actually read a nutrition label? Kung ano man yung iinumin ninyo na supplement, make sure na walang asukal. Paano mo malalaman? So when you read the nutrition label, simula tayo sa top, Una muna yung serving size. Ano ba yung nakalagay dyan? 2 kutsarita ba yan? Be mindful of that because sometimes nilalagay nilang serving size is small. So actually, yung nakalagay doon na 2 grams, for example, of sugar, tapos yung serving size napakaliit, tapos yung ginagamit mong amount is very big, you have to multiply that. So unang-una yun po, we don't really look at the calories. Sa mga nagsisimula sa lifestyle nito, it's really important to concentrate on yung carbohydrate content. Tingnan natin dito, may total fat, may cholesterol, may sodium. Ito na, yung total carb. Paano ba mag-calculate ng tinatawag nating net carb? Kasi yung importante po, yung net? Yung pinaka natitirang carb na siyang mag-stimulate sa insulin. So how do you compute that? Total carb minus the fiber, kasi yung fiber hindi yun ma-absorb, so minus yun. And kung merong sugar alcohol, ima-minus din natin. That is the formula for net carb content. So kung yung net carb content, like in this case, gawin lang nating exercise, nakita nyo, total carb is 43 grams. May fiber siya na 2, so ima-minus natin yun kasi sinabi natin fiber di ma-absorb. So 43 minus 2 is 41. Wala naman siyang sugar alcohol, so wala na tayong ibang ima-minus pa kasi sugar alcohol din, hindi rin siya mag-stimulate. Well, most of them. 41 grams dito sa particular, kunyari, na nutrition label na ito. Sa 2 ounces, ilan ba ang 2 ounces? So 1 ounce is around 30 ml, 2 ounces is 60 ml. So kung ano man yung supplement na iti-take ninyo, ugaliing lagi na binabasa natin yung nutrition label so you can tell kung ilang net carb content. Bakit mahalaga yun? Kasi meron kang sinusundan na net carb allowance for the day. Meron 3 kategorya sa low carb lifestyle natin that we look at. So meron dyan yung ketogenic, yan yung under 20 grams. Moderate is 20 to 50 grams. Liberal 50 to 100. And sa karamihan ng magsisimula pa lang sa lifestyle na ito, you may be in the moderate. Doon sa mga gusto talaga ng intense phase, baka kayo ay keto na. Doesn't really matter kung alin kasi every person will start differently. Depende sa goals and needs po ninyo at estado ng inyong kalusugan. But the bottom line is, dapat alam ninyo yung ano ba yung net carb content na nakukonsumo nyo per day. And dito na nga po pumapasok yung i-add natin ngayon, yung barley preparation because even the barley has different brands, right? So may mga barley siguro na powder, meron siguro mga drinks, I don't know, I don't consume those. But that is the main thing na titingnan po natin, ilan yung net carb content nun, right? And then, pasok ba siya? Kung wala naman siyang asukal, that should be fine. Pero yun nga po, tatandaan natin, you really cannot out-supplement a bad lifestyle. That's just about it. So, i-optimize muna natin yung nutrition. Pag magaling na tayo mag-low carb, let's go and do our fasting. Later, for sustainability, resistance training, yun muna yung i-focus natin. Supplementation, it costs money. And it gives you that false sense of hope na parang, okay, pag nag-supplement ako, magiging okay na ako. But if you don't change the main things, nutrition, frequency ng kainin nyo, net carb content, hindi rin po siya magbabago in the long run.